Captain's log. Start date 16/04/2014. The ship has been running for days now, and stuff is happening. It is getting really intense. Martin, what do you have to say?
I have lost my socks. I don't know where they are. Damn.
This little ship...
I'm the best sandwich packer. Look
Found-
at that, this is silver, really shitty. This is Rauno, super good. Just know that.
Found my socks. Found my socks.
Okay, video blogi. Andres, what do you have to say for the last 3 days?
Last night I acquired new technology for our mission. It is candy. It tastes like toothpaste. But unlike toothpaste, it is bad for your teeth.
So why do you eat it?
Because I am very stupid.
Martin, mis juhtus eile õhtul?
Me esinesime oma formaadiga
Milleks on?
Star Trek ja mis läks üpris hästi. Päris lahe oli ja lõbus oli. Ja siis täna me esineme uuesti Barcelona improgrupiga. Kuidagi tore see on.